You can put the graph, see how it's running. Welcome back to another video. Today we have the XTOOL for auto. This is the IP508S. So big shout out to XTOOL for sending us this scanner. 508S OBD2 scanner. 2023 newest 1 or 9 service ABS SRS engine transmission made in China. I'll leave you guys the link down below in the description section of this video. A testing slip. We got some instructions. So looks like here we got some cables and unit itself. So this is the cable. Looks pretty good quality, very thick, especially here on this. You got the red connectors, and then here you got some more connectors. It looks like some sort of universal plugs, maybe for Europe and for United States. So this is like a universal power box. So if you need to use this type or this type, which I never seen before here in the United States, obviously we're gonna go with the traditional one. Alright, the next cable, we got the USB cable. Charge the device. I'm gonna go ahead and take this out. Alright, we got the tablet itself. Let's take this off. Alright, it seems pretty good quality. It says XTOOL. This is IP508S Smart Diagnostic System. And then these are rubber. These blue parts, this is plastic. You got a connector there for diagnostics cable, and then you have some sort of charging cable there. Then you have an on and off button. On the back, you have the serial number. XTOOL Tech Intelligent Company. So let's press this button, see what it does. I'm just gonna select English. It says, dear user, thank you for using this product. This product needs to be activated online. If there is no network currently, you can click trial button in the upper right hand corner to try this product. So yeah, we're gonna set up our email. Start activate. It's gonna ask you for your Wi-Fi. I guess the first time you do have to maybe to get updates over on the units. So we're gonna go ahead and connect this to our Wi-Fi, and then we'll get back to you. All right, after you put in your Wi-Fi, it says start activation. Obviously, you're gonna throw your email in there. Initializing data. Please wait. All right. So we got auto scan diagnostics. We got 82% on the battery. Special function report remote control. We got Diagnostics Explorer Chrome. All right. So let's take this outside and connect it to the vehicle. See what it does. Alright, connect this right here. You screw on the little tabs here on the side, and then this you're going to connect to your vehicle. Alright, so this truck, it is overheating. Codes or anything in the truck. Diagnostics, auto scan, connecting. So we are connecting. This is Ford USA. 2009 automatic. You got the VIN number there. You got 2009 Mazda Ranger V series. Okay, automatic scanning. All right, so normal says anti-lock brake system, traction control module normal, restraint control module normal, generic electronic module normal. Instrument cluster failure. Okay, so instrument cluster failure. So that's a problem, I guess. Classification system module normal. So I guess this does have a problem with the instrument cluster. DTC report diagnosis. So it is running like a test. It did turn on the lights of the truck. You guys do see the gauges. Alright, so on the it says fault of ignition key circuit, trouble code, ignition key transporter signal passive anti-theft system not received. Invalid format of key code from ignition transporter is received by. Says additional fault symptom for this DCT is not available. No presence of previously diagnostic trouble code. DTC at this time of this request. Malfunction indicator MIL for off for this DTC test completed. Live data. Value on, off. Anti-scan function. We got level of fuel. Operating state of electronics control, ECU. Diagnostic mode. Ignition. We're just throwing all these on. Presence of master key. Minimum number of keys required 2. Number of stored keys 3. I guess you can't select. You can only select some sort of stuff. Continuous code 3. You can put the graph, see how it's running. Display all. Alright, so we have updates. So you guys are able to update this. I'm gonna go ahead and update this. Go back, diagnostics. It says report. Diagnostics report. Alright, so it does have 2 already stocked in there. Let's see what they look like. So this is what it looks like. This is actually a pretty detailed report. It says Ranger Mazda B series carrier 2009. It tells you the VIN number. It says the mileage, which is in kilometers, by the way. It says manual selector, Ranger Mazda B series 2009. Capacity 2.3. Type of Duratec HEI4. ECU. It says system cluster. System configuration, standard configurations, part number. Let's see what else here. Trouble code. Alright, so it does have 3 codes in there. So trouble code descriptions is fault ignition key circuit. And then we have ignition key transporter signal up anti-passive theft system. Not received. Invalid format of key code from ignition. Transporter received anti-theft system. Maybe because I had the alarm on and I had the truck on. Anti-scan function off. Continuous codes 3. A hard switch driver door close. Level of fuel 52.55. I don't know what that is. Oh, that's percentage. Yeah. So that is the percentage of the fuel left. Operating state of electronics control unit, ECU. Ignition. Presence of master key presence. Minimum number of keys required 2. Number of stored keys 3. Total distance kilometers. Input state of oil pressure switch OK. Enable state of vehicle enabled. Type of security access timed. Applied lamp and park brake off. Stored identification state of powertrain control module. Powertrain control module PCM verify OK. Yes. Input of parking brake switch off due to diagnostics test trouble. Code set 0. Program state of spare key enabled. Delay security access 10. Button triple odometer off. Voltage severity 13. 15. 12.1. Says trouble code. Powertrain control module PCM module transmitter. It says disabled engine by passive anti-theft system. Cylinder head over temperature detected. Okay, so it does give you the. So I'm gonna go ahead and look at this because I need to find out what that is. Alright, so that's it. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave this here because I'm gonna look into it. But yeah, guys, this thing does work. It does give you a lot of details of the truck. Big shout out to XTOOL for sending this. That's it for today. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.